In the pulsating universe of memes, there exists a realm where laughter is the law and wit, the currency. Welcome to Best Secret, your passport to this realm, your ultimate meme destination. Imagine a world where the funniest content is not hidden in the abyss of endless scrolling but served on a silver platter. That's what Best Secret offers you. Our dedicated team is constantly on the prowl, on a mission to curate the internet's hottest meme trends and bring them straight to you. From the viral sensations that have the world in splits, to the cleverly captioned images that hit just the right notes of relatability, Best Secret is your gateway to it all. Stay ahead of the meme curve and be the one to introduce the next big meme to your friends. Joining Best Secret is more than just signing up for a service. It's becoming part of an exclusive community that is always in the know. And with our user-friendly interface, your journey through the meme universe is going to be as smooth as a spaceship ride. Discovering your next favorite meme is now as easy as breathing. So why wait? Join the ranks of thousands of meme enthusiasts who have made Best Secret their go-to destination for the funniest and most relatable memes. In summary, Best Secret is not just a platform, it's a revolution. A revolution that promises to deliver the funniest memes in the most user-friendly manner. A seamless browsing experience, curated content, and an exclusive community. That's the Best Secret promise. And now it's time for you to be part of it. Thanks for tuning in. To continue your voyage through the meme galaxy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more meme-tastic content. Best Secret, your laughter, our mission.